The story of my life, I take her home. I drive all night to keep her warm in time. He's frozen. The story of my life, I gave her hope. I spent her love until she's broke inside. The story of my life, written on these walls are the colors that I can't change. Leave my heart open, but stays right here in this cage. Know that in the morning I'll see us in the light up on the hill. Though I am broken,